Most Outstanding Religious Project, LDS Missionary Training Center expansion. It's hard to quantify the ambitious nature of this iconic project, which was completed in just under 2 years and includes 2 6-story buildings and 360,000 square feet of space designed to enhance the training experience for new LDS missionaries. The structural system is a side plate moment frame design that allows for large glass curtain wall systems. Interior walls were constructed with large glass side lights and transom windows to help facilitate the transfer of light to center interior spaces. Brick, precast concrete panels, and aluminum window systems complement existing campus buildings while providing more transparency and dynamic mountain views. Each building has a separate color scheme for enhanced wayfinding that wraps around the elevator core and runs down the corridor wall. The project was submitted by the joint venture team of Oakland Construction, Jacobson Construction, and Layton Construction.